everyone, today I will show you how to make a flower basket kit. Let's begin. What do we need? Floral foam, flowers, greenery, ribbon, scissors, message card. First, I put the floral foam inside the box. Add the greenery, put the greenery around the foam. Then, I put the biggest flower in the middle. After that, I add the small flowers. Now it looks beautiful. I check my flower box. It looks nice. Next, I tie a ribbon. It's very pretty. I write for you, Mom. Finally, my flower box is finished.